Now at noon, after an intense start to the morning, day 3 of a murder trial is bringing new details and testimony. Good afternoon. Freddie Alcantar Jr. is accused of stabbing and killing his mother-in-law, Deb Jones, in August of 2013. Since this homicide happened more than 2 years ago, this trial has been a long time in coming, but there's a chance it could have all stopped this morning. News Channel 15's Sara Wagner is covering the case. She joins us live from downtown Fort Wayne with more on what started day 3 of the trial. Sarah.
The atmosphere in the courtroom this morning has definitely been very tense at times. The day started with the defense asking the judge to dismiss the case because of an evidence issue. After about a half hour, the judge denied the motion but had some harsh words for the prosecution. It's unclear exactly what the evidence issue is, but it appears to have something to do with an interview recording. Yesterday, a former inmate testified that Alcantar admitted to killing Deb Jones to him. As a result of telling police about the conversation, he got his sentence lessened. The defense claims that this interview with police was in fact recorded, but the defense didn't know that until 6:45 last night. The interview happened more than a year ago. Judge Surbeck eventually denied the dismissal request, but told the prosecution they were negligent for not telling the defense beforehand. While the judge didn't believe that this was an intentional move, he did call it a, quote, watershed moment for the county in criminal cases when it comes to evidence. We also heard from the pathologist who performed Deb Jones' autopsy. She walked the jury through a handful of pictures of the procedure, noting injuries to Deb's head, neck, and hands, and how she likely died within minutes due to significant blood loss. She also talked about the cuts found on Freddie's hands and how, in her medical opinion, they would have come from a sharp object and not a blunt one like the dog chains Freddie said they came from. We also heard from a forensic scientist who said that Freddie's boots did not match the shoe print found under Deb's body. Court's on a break right now, but resumes at 12:45. We're live outside the Allen County Courthouse. Sara Wagner, News Channel 15.